So my favorite question to ask clients in very first sessions, and one that you'll hear me talk about in the seminar, is called the 80-year-old hypothetical. So the reason I ask this in first sessions, and I share this with clients too, is because it helps me understand two things. Helps me understand what does the client really value in their life, and the second thing is what are the things getting in the way of it. So the hypothetical goes as this: that it's your 80-year-old birthday. You're surrounded by friends and loved ones. Somebody grabs a microphone and says, "So looking back on your life at 80 years old, what did you not spend enough time doing?" That's where we tend to respond with the things that give us energy. Didn't spend enough time traveling. Didn't spend enough time taking risks, telling that person I love them. I didn't spend enough time getting outside my comfort zone. I didn't spend enough time learning new things. The second part of the hypothetical is looking back on your life at 80 years old, I spent too much time. And that's where we respond to things. I spend too much time alone, spend too much time isolating, spend too much time worried about what other people are going to think. So when I talk to clients about that, I'm able to understand a little bit more what are the things that are missing in their life and what are the things getting in the way of it. Those become the values that guide the actions that clients ultimately commit to.